Sarah always had a big dream. She wanted to build a treehouse in her backyard. Every night, she closed her eyes and imagined herself sitting in the treehouse, watching the stars. One morning, Sarah decided to make her dream come true. She got a notebook and started writing her plan. "First, I need wood, nails, and a hammer," she wrote. Then, she drew a picture of how the treehouse would look. Sarah knew she couldn't do it alone. She asked her dad, "Can you help me build a treehouse?" Her dad smiled and said, "Of course, but you must help too. It's your dream." They went to the store and bought everything they needed: wood, nails, and a hammer. Sarah felt excited. "I can't wait to start," she said, holding the hammer in her hand. Back home, they began working. Her dad showed her how to use the hammer safely. Sarah was nervous at first, but soon she learned how to hit the nails into the wood. Building a treehouse was not easy. Sarah and her dad worked every day after school. Sometimes Sarah felt tired. "This is harder than I thought," she said. But she didn't give up. Day by day, the treehouse started to take shape. The walls were up and the roof was almost done. Sarah felt proud of what they had done so far. Finally, the treehouse was nearly complete. Sarah painted the walls yellow, her favorite color. She added a small door and a window. "It's perfect," she whispered. One evening, Sarah climbed into her new treehouse. She looked out the window and saw the stars shining in the sky. "This is just like my dream," she thought. Smiling, now that Sarah's treehouse was finished, she had new dreams. She sat in her treehouse and wrote them in her notebook. "What can I build next?" she wondered. The possibilities were endless.